Happy Catholic Schools Week! I'm Claire Adamson.
And I'm Lilly Hardy.
Last week, Mary Jo met up with Johanna Mikhart, a foreign exchange student from Germany. Let's go check it out.
Hi, my name is Kamryn Meyer, and I'm here with junior Maya Bumstead and sophomore Joanna. Joanna is an exchange student from Germany. Where exactly are you from?
I'm from Pinneberg. That's a small city near Hamburg in northern Germany.
How did you guys meet?
Our moms were in 7th grade. They became pen pals, and then I was in 7th grade, she was in 6th grade. We became pen pals, and we just officially met.
Are you interested in going to Germany and seeing the culture there?
Yeah, I'm hoping to visit her when I graduate from JCA.
That's fun. And then how long will you be in America for?
I'm staying the whole semester, so May.
Joanna, what's the biggest difference between the two countries?
I would say it's the school, because our school system is really different from America.
How is it different?
Well, we have every subject with the same people, so we have one class, and we don't get to choose our subjects.
That's interesting. And then what's your favorite part about American culture?
Probably the people, because all the people I've met so far were really nice.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part about JCA so far?
I really like that I got to choose my classes, and they're really fun.
And then what sports do you have back in Germany?
I play handball. That's not popular in the US, but yeah.
That's fun. Thank you for letting me interview you guys. I hope you have a great time in America.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mary Jo. Next up, Kamryn spoke with senior Jackie Stary about her commitment to the equestrian team at TCU.
Hello, today I'm here talking with senior Jackie Stary, who just committed to Texas Christian University's equestrian team. TCU is part of the Big 12 Conference and is Division I. It is ranked number 1 in the country for equestrian. Congratulations on your hard work and dedication to the sport. Jackie, can you tell us how you became involved in the sport and when you decided to do this?
Yeah, so I actually started when I was 10 years old, when I moved houses from Plainfield to Oswego, and there was an old retirement farm right by my house, and I really wanted a lesson.
That's awesome. And we also hear that it is taking you away from school a lot. Can you tell us about your competition history?
Yeah, so I miss a lot of Thursdays and Fridays. I show once or twice a week, and my show season doesn't really have an off season, so I'm kind of all year round.
That's cool. And where do you usually go for these shows?
Well, this February and March, I'll be in Florida every single weekend, Thursday and Friday, and then all weekend. And I've shown in Kentucky, Tennessee, Michigan all summer long, pretty much. And then there's a couple local shows that I go to.
Actually sounds really fun. Thank you. Thanks so much for letting me interview, and we wish you the best of luck at TCU.
That was really interesting. Congratulations again, Jackie, and thank you, Kamryn. Next up, Dalach met up with Mr. Eakle to see what grinds his gears. Let's check that out.
Hi everyone, welcome back. This is year 3 of What Grinds My Gears. I've had a long time off to think about this one. So hopefully this is something you can all find that applies to your life, and you can hopefully agree with me a little bit on what I've been thinking about. So today I am going to talk about gas stations. Gas stations have really been on my nerves as of late. Number 1, it's cold out. All right, so we have to fill up gas. We're out there for a long time. It's been -30, -20 this past week, right? We're outside filling up our gas tank, which is bad enough. But then we got to ask, do you want a car wash today? Are you a rewards member? Are you using credit or debit? All these questions. All right, so it's a lot, and the computers are so slow when it gets cold too, right? It's you can see some letters fade in, some letters fade out at the same time. It takes forever. You're already out there freezing, and they got all these questions. Do you want a receipt? I don't need a receipt for my gas. Can I just get in my car and go, please? All right, so there's all these problems with it. And there's 3 ways to say no. You have the screen with the little button that coordinates the little button on the side, or you have the little keypad with the green yes and the red no, and which one do you hit? And you hit certain number of no's for some questions and some no's for the other questions. And then meanwhile, you got to put in your zip code, which sometimes the buttons don't take really well with that. It's you're out there for 10 minutes trying to get your gas going. I've been waiting behind some of these people. So trust me, it takes them about 10 minutes sometimes. The last thing you want to see when you get gas is please see cashier or please see the attendant. That is not happening. I don't need gas that bad. I will get up and I'll go somewhere else. I am not going to go inside the gas station, despite it being warmer in there, to have to fill up my gas. I'm not going to tell them $15 on pump number 8, please. I'm just going to fill up whatever it says. The credit card's got it, and I'm going to go. All right. So we got it's cold, it's slow, the computers don't work as well, and of course we all know gas stations are not a good place to hang out. You don't want to be at a gas station, especially around nighttime, right? Just hanging out, filling up your gas tank. You want to get in, you want to get out, you want to get on your way. So the longer we're there, the more we're exposed to the elements, the people, We don't want to be at a gas station that long. So hopefully I don't have to fill up gas for a while because I really don't want to go back to one now. Hopefully you can all agree with me on this one, and hopefully you don't need to get gas till it gets warmer outside. That, JCA, is what's grinding my gears.
Thanks for sharing, Mr. Eakle. Congratulations to our dance team for a wonderful season.
We are so proud of you. And congratulations to our cheer team as we prepare to head down to state this upcoming weekend.
Have a great day. Go Ho!
For more information, please visit our website.